Female hotel worker succumbed to injuries from bus crash in St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A female hotel worker succumbed to injuries she sustained in a motor vehicle collision that involved two Toyota Coaster buses along the Flanker Main Road in St. James on Sunday morning. Another person was injured during the crash and rushed to hospital. Preliminary reports are that shortly after 9 a.m., two coaster buses were traveling in opposite direction along the Flanker Main Road when they collided. Two people were injured in the crash and were taken to hospital where the female succumbed to her injuries. She became the third hotel worker to die from a car accident in less than 24 hours.
Man at a flanker right now. Dead brother. They have a pin down. I was.
Two male hotel workers succumbed to injuries from a crash on the Rio Main Road in Trelawney on Saturday morning. They have been identified as Reese Anderson and Michael Thompson. Reports are that a coaster bus was transporting staff to a popular hotel in the parish of Trelawney when it collided with a truck in the Rio bypass. The truck had parked on the soft shoulder of the roadway. This follows another recent fatal collision that involved a coaster bus transporting hotel workers, which crashed in Braco, Trelawney. One hotel worker succumbed to injuries in that crash. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.